Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I know you guys see this box right here and you guys are wondering what it is. It's not the Gold FX trimmers yet. Not yet. We're still waiting on those, but what a lot of people have been waiting for is the cordless wall detailers, LIs. So pretty cool. This is what a lot of people have been waiting for, a lot of fans for the detailers. So this is what I've been waiting for a long time. I know China has had them for a bit, but it's not the same. It's the same, but not the same. It's a whole different argument. But we're going to be doing an unboxing for this trimmer right here. Alright, so let's get to it. So pretty much this is how it looks like. If you guys do not know how it looks like or never seen one before, this is how the box looks like. Obviously it's got all its details, all the specs of what comes with the trimmer as well. So it comes with the charging stand, which I will show you guys once I unbox it. And let's go over a little bit of the things that it comes with. So it comes with 3 trimming guides, so pretty much 3 guards it comes with. It has a T-wide blade, pretty much the same thing as the older model. You could adjust it to a zero gap if you want. These, if it's still the same thing that we all enjoy as in detailer wise, they will be straight hitters out the box. So we'll test that out on another video. But so it has a lithium ion battery, which is the best thing on the market when it comes to clippers and trimmers. It's up to 100-minute runtime, so that's really great. Who lasts 100 minutes on a haircut? I don't know, especially with trimmers. I have no idea, but that's great timing for this. And it's very lightweight. That's what it says. It doesn't give you an exact weight on it, but those are all the specs for right now. The good thing about Wahl, if you guys did not know, is that they have the best warranty around. I think it's pretty much lifetime warranty on any Wahl clipper or trimmer, so that's pretty cool and good to know if you guys did not know. So don't be throwing away your stuff. So let's see, let's do a quick unboxing. Okay, so this is pretty fancy. I don't think I've ever seen this on a different box, other boxes, right?
Oh, what does it have
for Wahl boxes? It just has a Wahl everywhere. So it looks pretty cool. I mean, for those of you still gonna throw it away, it's a fancy trash, I guess. Wahl Professional. I don't think any of the other boxes say that at all. America's Clipper Company. Oh, sounds like them boys. America's team. Yeah, right. All right, let's do this unboxing. Oh, that's cool. So, hey, did you know Wahl Clipper Corporation has partnered with social service organizations across the USA to help at-risk youth break the cycle of poverty? Well, that's super cool and cool to know. I wonder if other companies are doing that as well. So that's pretty cool. Oh, there she is. What's this? All right, let's do the the trimmer first. So here she is. I should be wearing guantes, gloves. Now I'm smearing it all, but it's all good. This is my pair, right? So let's go with it. It is pretty lightweight. I don't really have the old one to compare it with or anything. We're just comparing it to itself. So we're just talking about this one. It's very light. It's pretty lightweight. It's lightweight to the point where it has a good weight to it, where it's not going to be like, oh, it's so heavy or anything. I'd say it's about a little bit heavier than the Slimline. Yeah, I'd say it's in between. Not heavy at all, but it has a perfect weight to it. So I think that's pretty cool. It has these grooves, these little bevels in the back. That's something that's new with these trimmers that they didn't have beforehand. So that's good for you guys who have butterfingers and just drop stuff all over the place all the time. So that's really good. That's something new. It looks the same as a regular detailer. The only thing is I believe it's about this much longer. So that's cool. I mean, it's still not bad at all. It's cool. The other detailers, I thought they were a little bit too small. So these are like perfect. We're about to do a sound test right now. This has a 5-star T-wide blade as well. It's regular T-wide blade, as you guys can see. So it has a T-wide blade. And let's see how zero gapped it is straight out the box. Oh wow, it's actually pretty good. So it comes pretty much already pretty well zero gapped, as I can see. This is how much I'd want my trimmers to be zero gapped. It has perfect amount of space so you don't nick people, even if you're somewhat you're heavy-handed. So it has perfect a perfect amount, a little bit of space, but perfect enough where they'll be hitters, and you won't be nicking people and stuff. So let's do a quick sound test on these. Turning these on for the first time. Okay, not bad. I was expecting these to honestly be a little bit louder. Oh, this is cool. So once you guys, I just noticed right now that when you turn it on, it flashes the LI indicator. So this is pretty cool. They're not that loud at all. And these, if my research is correct, these have a rotary motor. So rotary motors are pretty much the most powerful engine, like a car. Yeah, right. The powerful motor on clippers. So these, a lot of people I see use them for clipper over comb, taking down bulk, and these will take it down like nothing with ease. Although it will ruin your blade over time faster, dull it out faster, like anybody else would expect. So this is it, guys. This is it for the trimmer. It's pretty cool. It's lightweight. The things that is different, cordless obviously. It has its LED LI indicator. Everything remains pretty much around the same, which is super cool because let's see, because with a lot of people, especially with these, the first thing that people were talking about was hopefully it remains the same, because when companies bring out a product or try to bring it back, but try to do it better, they honestly most of the time they don't do it better. So this one looks good with me. I'll have to try it eventually. And of course it comes with its wall charger. It's the same thing as the other ones. This one's pretty cool. Normally they're all black. I don't see the point or anything on that, but let's see. Yeah, same thing right here. That's good. And it comes obviously with its charging stand. It also comes with a little brush. This is to, I'm assuming, take out the hair or whatever when you oil it, yada yada. Obviously it comes with its manual, giving you pretty much all the information. Your limited 1-year warranty, but they'll take care of it anytime after that. So that's that. Here are the 3 guides it comes with. It is a 1.5, a 1.5. So that's pretty cool. It comes with its oil, obviously, like any other clipper or trimmer does, and a little brush to help clean. And then I have this. There you go, to protect the teeth. Boom. And last but not least in this box is, okay, I guess just come out by itself. Man, this is heavy. It's like a little pack of batteries. Ooh, this is fancy. It has a nice weight to it and everything. Here is the nice, really nice charging stand. This doesn't feel cheap like other stands does. Man, this is nice and fancy. Hey, looking at yourself on the camera. Yeah, this is super dope. It has really nice weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And one of the things that I've noticed from even before carrying this item is a lot of people talk about, here, let me put this in there. See, this is exactly how it goes. So this is the cool part about it, I guess a lot of people are talking about, or they just saying that what's the point. So let's put it over here, and let me just put it on there. Let's see how it looks like when it charges. So it's not plugged in yet, but let me plug it in real quick and let's see if there's anything different of how it looks like of when it's plugged in. Hopefully I don't drop this.
You'd be like the guy who got like the first iPhone, like one of the newer iPhones.
The first guy that had the iPhone and he dropped it. I'm like, oh. So it's already plugged in, and let's see if it, oh, there you go. So it's gonna be, as you guys can see, it's flashing its the LED, the blue LED. I'm assuming when it's done charging, it'll stop blinking, or it'll just stay on to make you realize it's fully charged. And it's pretty cool. There's a lot of other trimmers that don't really give you a battery like indicator when it's charged or not. So you base it off of whether the motor sounds like it's dying or not. And with like any other cordless, guys, you guys can always use this while it's charging as well. So there you guys have it. This is the unboxing of the new Wahl Cordless Detailer LIs. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys gonna get it or not? What differences do you see? What do you like about it? What don't you like about it? I personally think it's pretty dope. Like I said, in my personal opinions, it's dope. It has a good weight. It's not too heavy or anything. And I can't wait to use it. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said in the comments, are you guys gonna cop it? Or are you guys gonna be like, nah, pass on it? Let me know what you guys think. Or do you guys think that the Babylist took the show pretty much? Because I don't know, they both are kind of somewhat released at the same time. So what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys a detailer fan or not? I am. Haters straight out the box, to be honest. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Like I said, once again, let me know what you guys think about this new cordless detailers, guys. I know we've been waiting for it forever. It's finally here. Super excited. We literally just got them right now from LA, so that's cool. The whole box. So let me know what you guys think, guys. I'm super excited. I can't wait to use this and show you guys in another video of how they work, how they take down bulk or anything like that, how they edge up straight out the box, stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think. I will catch you guys on the next video. Make sure to like. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And subscribe if you're new, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. I will see you guys next time. Peace out. And also, if you would like to purchase this trimmer, it is available in store and online, guys. I'll leave a link in the in the info
Description box.
I'll leave a link in the description box for you guys if you guys want to buy it. And if you already have one, just buy another one to support. Have two. But that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys got it and you guys already used it, let me know what you guys think about it, pros and cons. And if you want to buy one, like I said, we have one available online at www.supremebarbersupply.com. Alright, guys, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.